What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the 2018 Ram 2500. We're going to pick up from the previous episode and start welding this cover on. And then we're going to move on and get some primer on all the body filler and get this cab 100% ready for sealer. Stay tuned and let's get started. Check that out guys, spot welds line up. Our hood hinges line up. Let's go ahead and weld this sucker in.
Let's get it done.
So quick update on the progress. Check this out. We got everything welded up. We're gonna go ahead and get some filler on that and get that nice and smooth. My brother already started on sanding the firewall in this apron. We just got a little bit more on that cowl. So let's keep moving right along and get the cab primed in. All right guys, so we are ready for primer. We got the roof and the rocker taped off. All the bodywork is nice and smooth and everything else is fine just like that. So let's go ahead and mix up some primer and slick this cab in, boys. Alright, so we got the primer laid down. We're gonna let that dry overnight before we start sanding it. It did get kind of late on us, so I'll catch you guys in the morning. What is up guys? Next day here, and we're gonna go ahead and pick up from yesterday and start sanding the primer on these rockers to speed things up a little bit. I am gonna go ahead and make a few passes with the dry 320, knock some of the rougher areas out, and then I'll go back and sand the whole cab with the wet 600. Stay tuned and let's get started. All right, guys, just finished up with the sanding. I hit the firewall, the cowl, the aprons, and all the little nooks and crannies with the dry 320. As you can see, there's not that much paint from factory. They just kind of missed it on there. Look at the apron right over here. We're gonna do a lot better job and really slick it in because I do want the engine bay to pop with the rest of the truck. We're gonna take care of the undercarriage a little bit later. Once we get the cab on the lift, we'll probably do like a Raptor line or some kind of bed liner and replace these shields with the newer 2018. But for now, let's go back and final sand the rest of the cab with the wet 600. Make sure we don't have to correct anything, and then we should be ready for some sealer. Let's get it done. All right, boys, just wrapped it up with the wet sanding. It did get dark on us kind of quick. It was a time-consuming process, but you know what? We had to take care of a few more imperfections. For now, let's keep moving right along and get this cab all taped up. Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. I really wanted to slap some sealer on the cab and slick it in, but it did get late on us and I didn't want to rush it and make a mistake. It's all right, we'll take care of it in the next episode. I also got to get some paint and supplies for this truck and some of the other builds. With all this coronavirus going on, we don't know how things are going to go, and I don't want the stores to get shut down and us have to slow down on some of these builds. I hope all you guys are safe and healthy at home. We have narrowed it down to 3 colors, either the pearl white, matte purple, or Ferrari red to match my Jeep. Let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments. With all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, hit that like bell and sub button to support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The links are in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thanks for watching till the end. I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.